Students, now we see the graphical method for solving simultaneous equation. In the ninth standard, we learned that the graph of linear equation in two variable is straight line. To draw the graph, we have to find minimum three ordered pairs. The ordered pairs which satisfy the equation is the solution of that equation. Order pair means the solution of the equation. These order pairs represent a point on that line. How to draw the graph of linear equation in two variable? Steps for drawing the graph. First, find at least three order pair for the given equation. Then draw x-axis, y-axis on the graph paper and plot the points. Then see all 3 points lies on one line. Means the graph of linear equation in two variable is a straight line. Now we see the example. Solve the following simultaneous equation by graphical method. X plus y is equal to 0 and 2x minus y is equal to 9. First we find at least three order pairs for given equation. See here, first equation, x plus y is equal to 0. Put the values of x in given equation, we get the values of y. If we put x is equal to 1, we get y is equal to minus 1. Then the x is equal to 1 and y is equal to minus 1 is the first ordered pair. Then put x is equal to 2 in equation, we get y is equal to minus 2. This is the second ordered pair. Then put x is equal to minus 3 in equation, we get y is equal to 3. In this way, we prepare a table. Three ordered pairs are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2 and minus 3, 3. These 3 points now we plot on the graph paper. See the first order pair 1 minus 1. Here is the 1 minus 1. Second order pair 2 minus 2. Here is the 2 minus 2. Third order pair minus 3, 3. Here is the minus 3, 3. In this way, the graph of this linear equation x plus y is equal to 0. This is the straight line. Now we can take second equation. 2x minus y is equal to 9. In this equation, put x is equal to suitable values and solve it, we get the value of another variable. If x is equal to 2, solving y is equal to minus 5. This is the first ordered pair. Then put x is equal to 3, we get y is equal to minus 3. This is the second ordered pair. Put x is equal to 4 in the given equation, we get y is equal to minus 1. This is the third order pair. Plotting this point. First 2 minus 5. Here is 2 minus 5. Second 3 minus 3. Third 4 minus 1. We get the straight line passing through all these 3 points. This is the graph of second equation. If we plot these two graphs on same coordinate system, these two lines intersect each other. The coordinates of point of intersection of two lines is 3 minus 3. These values, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3, these values satisfy the both the equations. Hence, solution of given equation is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 3. In this way, we find the solution of given simultaneous equation by graphical method. With the help of this example, you solve the examples from practice 1.2.